Got something really cool for you. Look at that. It's definitely 4-wheel drive. Looks like it's got some sort of Holley EFI, the sniper setup on it. I would have guessed. Beautiful. Definitely show truck. Try and get you guys a nice little walk around. Oh, he's got the book of the restoration. I mean, we don't have time to thumb through it. I got here late to the show. I want to give you guys at least a little looky-see. Nice leather interior. Look, it's got 3 pedals in there, folks. The fleetside truck. Guys definitely won some awards. Rightly you should. Pretty cool, right? Come over and let you guys look at what it really is. So it's a 59, 6 inches of lift. So it's a 550 LS that he's swapped in there. Yeah, 35 inch on set, wrapped on 17s. Man, what a truck. I mean, I'd rather have one I could take wheeling, but yeah, this thing is cool. Love it. Comment below if you think this is cool.